Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So if you spend most of your time on the internet and this time around you want to use that to your advantage and do something that will get you some money in return. What if I told you you can make money by just sharing your internet bandwidth? So in this video I'll show you how you can do just that. You can use your laptop or your phone to make this happen and start earning today. So before I tell you about the app, I will tell you how this method works. This app is a unique app that will make money for you by just sharing your unused internet. It's that simple. You basically let the app use some of your unused internet bandwidth, and in return you earn cash based on the amount of the bandwidth you let the app use. Now if you're worried about the safety of this method, whether the software is intrusive and collecting sensitive information, relax, it won't do that. You don't have to worry about your social security, credit card numbers and other personal information. This method does not require you to have previous experience, and it does not require you to put a lot of effort to pull it off. But you need to see all the steps by watching the video and avoid skipping some parts of the video. And if you're interested in making money from the comfort of your home, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, because that's what I teach week in, week out. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the app in question is Honeygain. Now this app is available on 5 different platforms, and that is your Windows desktop computer, Android devices, iOS Apple devices, Apple Mac OS laptops, and for Linux users. So to start making money, you have to install the app on any device of your choice. The program can be used on so many devices, whether you want to use it on your phone or on your computer. Now once you're in the Honeygain app, we will use the Android app as an example. Once the app is loaded, the first thing you will see is the terms and conditions page, which you will have to agree to in order to continue. And once you click on the accept button, you can start setting up the app on your device. Firstly, you can set a limit on the mobile data that the app can use if you are on mobile data, and if you turn this off, you can use Honeygain on Wi-Fi networks. You can also control Honeygain's usage of your battery, and if you turn this option off, you are only allowed to use Honeygain while your device is charging. But if you want to use Honeygain when it's not charging, you can sign in on Honeygain after setting up the app. So if you are in the Windows or MacBook, you can click on the Go to Dashboard button on the home page, or you can log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. And you can also sign up and log in using a Google or Facebook account, or just enter your email address if you do not have either the Google or Facebook account, and of course provide a password of your choice to complete the registration process. So you're gonna download the app from the platform, set it up and let it use your internet connection. The app will take advantage of the unused bandwidth on your computer and share it with their clients for web intelligence and content delivery. By doing that, you can earn $18 per month when you let it use 2 GB of data per day. And you can increase the inputs up to an output of $118 per month. Just like that. So if you're enjoying the video, please hit the like button and make sure to leave a comment below if there's something you don't understand. I'll clear it up for you. Now if you're worried about the safety of Honeygain and whether your software is intrusive or collecting sensitive information, I'm here to assure you that the software will not do any of that. Your email address, payment information, device information, and network information are the only things that Honeygain needs from you. Besides that, their program will use a limited amount of your internet and device resources, and it won't leak your personal info like your social security number and credit card numbers. Honeygain can be installed on different types of devices, and it's actually recommended that you install it on multiple devices in order to make more money. Another way of making money on Honeygain is through the Honeygain content delivery. So here you share your internet connection for bandwidth intensive content like images, videos, audios, heavy websites, and many more. This method though requires a stable network connection, and it's worth mentioning that this feature can only be used on Windows and Mac OS devices separately. What you do is you open your Honeygain settings and click to enable the content delivery, and once it has been enabled, you will earn $6 per hour you're connected, and when you join you are given $5 just like that. Another way to make money on Honeygain is through their referral program. Once you invite other people to join Honeygain, you stand to gain 10% of their earnings, and the more people join successfully, the more money you stand to make. So to do that, you need to copy your invite link and pass it out to people on your personal social media accounts, or you could also use your email to notify your friends. So with Honeygain, you could withdraw your earnings through PayPal. You have to accumulate 20,000 points in order to cash out, and you can reach these points in no time without effort, because all you need to do is install it, set it up, and let it run. This has to go down as one of the easiest ways to make money online, and if you are looking for more ways of making money online, feel free to check out the rest of the videos across the channel to make more money in a short space of time. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.